Okay, I just clicked it on. See the pump? It's quieter because now there's fluid in it, so the pump's not as loud. I use camping fuel. Let's see when it gets up to here. There it comes. Hopefully we'll hear it roar. Oh, get lit. Hear it? It's burning. That means it got hot enough in the heat chamber that it expanded that little quartz rod that was in here to get this running full blast. So that's what I was saying earlier on the other shot that I took, is now the glow plug's off. All it's doing is running off the spark plug to keep the fire lit. But this is warm air coming out. Ah, see that? That's all the crap that's in there that's burning off. All the grease and anything that I put in there, anything that was already on there. So, first time this is ran in who knows how long. But she's a runner. So I'm going to pause this, let it run, burn off some of that fuel, and then when this video clicks back in, I'll turn the switch off and it'll go into a cool down mode. Hopefully it'll shut off, but this is probably going to take another 3 to 5 minutes to use that fuel that I have in there and burn off some of this junk. So hold on.